Hello, class 12th computer science students. I am Atul Gupta and today we discuss programming with list concept. So, first program is write a program to accept list of elements from the user and print sum of all elements of the list. So, we use list concept in this program and accept list of elements from the user and display sum of all elements of list. So we start program is first we take list elements from the user. So statement is L equal to eval input enter list elements. User enter some elements which is stored in list L. Now next statement n equal to len L. This is length function. This function count length of list. So len back in bracket L, that is list. So number of elements in list is counted by len function and assigned in the n variable. So n contain total number of elements in the list. Now next statement sum equal to 0. Sum is a another variable which is initialized by 0. In this variable we sum add all the elements of the list and store in some variable. Now to traverse all the elements of list we use a for loop, that is for I in range 0 comma n. This is the lower limit of the list 0 and this is the upper limit of list range. This limit, upper limit and lower limit represent index of the list element. So let me take example of list. If we have four elements in a list 1, 3, 2, 5 and indexing of list is start from 0 to size minus 1, that is length minus 1. Total number of elements are 4, so upper limit is 4 minus 1 3. This is the range of upper limit. Now we have four elements, index is 0 1 2 and 3. First for loop start from 0, so value of I is 0. Now inside the loop body statement is sum equal to sum plus L of I, that is list of I. Starting I value is 0, so L of 0 value is 1. So L of I, L of 0 is 1 and initial value of sum is 0. 0 plus 1 1. A 1 is assigned to sum, so sum value is 1. Now control transfer to next index, that is 1, so value of I is 1. Now inside the loop body sum equal to sum plus L of 1. L of 1, that is element value is 3. Sum is 1. 1 plus 3 4. 4 assigned to sum, so value of sum is 4. Now control transfer to next index, that is 2. I is 2. Now statement sum equal to sum plus L of 2. List of 2 value is 2. So 2 plus 4, sum value is 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 is assigned to sum, so value of sum is 6. Now next index is 3. I is 3, then statement sum equal to sum plus L of 3. List of 3, that is element is 5. 5 plus sum value is 6. 5 plus 6 11. 11 assigned to sum, so value of sum is 11. Now next index value is 4, that is range is over. Now control transfer to outside the loop. Now outside the loop statement is print sum of all elements of list is sum. Value of sum is 11, so sum of all elements of list is 11. Now final value of sum is 11. This value is displayed. So the output is displayed as enter list elements. If user enter 1 2 3 4 and 5, then display sum of all elements of list is 15. This is the output of the following code. Now the given code run on the system. So code is given as, now run this program, enter list elements. We enter some elements 1 2 3 4 5. Now press enter key. Sum of all the elements of list is 15. This is the output of the given code.